Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Up to Speed on MSM RC and Hobby. My name is Jeremy, and if you haven't seen this before, this video segment, or these groups of videos, is where Peter and I talk about projects that we're working on for the week, and you'll see everything from full-blown RC builds to parts to accessories, just what's on our bench or what did we grab this week that we're really excited about. And so for this episode, this is actually going to be a couple week long project because we are going to be tackling my Enduro SE. This guy right here. Going to do a bunch of stuff to it. It's an SE Enduro. Check it out. Hi everybody, I'm Jeremy. Welcome to MSM RC, and this is Up to Speed. And Up to Speed is a weekly video that we do to talk about the RC projects that we're working on. We may show you full builds, we may show you a build in progress, we may show you parts or accessories or tools. This is your way to know what we're working on this week, and if you don't read about it on our Facebook blog, you can see it here on YouTube. And so this week, I'm going to get kickstarting a fairly large project, and it's going to be all about this guy right here, Enduro SE. So I've had this truck for a bit, and I've collected a lot of parts for it, and this truck is going to be was going to be for me a winter build. This was going to be my winter truck because as we get through into February, March, April, we still have a lot of wet weather here in BC. And I wanted to have a truck that was better suited for that. So upgrades to this include stainless hardware throughout. The truck has a lot of bushings, not bearings, and those bushings will stand up to water a little better. And just going to be a truck that I don't mind it getting wet or muddy or dirty. And if I can't get to cleaning it right away, it's not going to be a huge panic. So that is the purpose of this build. And I figure it'll probably take me a couple weeks to get this done because I've got a fair amount of products to put on this truck. I have wheels and tires. I have a new speed control. I have Rock Pirate shock mounts, stainless hardware, trim. It's going to get a lot of stuff, and I'm going to get started on it this week. So if this build is of interest to you, please be sure, if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you like the video and click the notification bell so you're alerted every time we upload a new video. You'll know about it. So let's get now to the montage of all the different parts that I'm going to use on this truck. Cue the music. Those are some great products from companies that I really enjoy using their parts, so I can't wait to get them onto this truck and get this build moving down the road. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see my build sessions as I get this build underway. Let me know if there's some of the things that you saw there that you're curious about, you've never installed them on a truck before, so you'd like to know how it's done. And if there's enough positive feedback, I'll put out a video, I'll record my build sessions, and then I'll put out a video showing you how many of those parts get installed on the truck. So make sure you comment down below and let me know that. For this week's Up to Speed, I think this is going to be where I'll end the video. I'll have more news for you next week because I want to get this truck done quickly, as I still need to get to my second dirt oval slash. Peter and I couldn't get together this week, so the work on that truck didn't get done, and our next race is on the 25th, so I've got that deadline, and I'm trying to squeeze this in between. So Be sure to check in with us next week. I'll have more updates for you. I'll have information. And thank you. Thank you for watching. You're up to speed.